Hey guys, this is Farm Boy CG and we got yet another train coming our way. I think it's an immortal train, looks like. I don't know where the fuck those kids went. They really shouldn't be doing what they're doing. Yeah, it's an immortal train. Hey, it's the Mac again! No freaking way! It's the second time we caught the Mac! They knocked down the signal. Yeah, they don't freaking way. Yeah, it's an immortal train. It's not a long one, it doesn't look like. There's the end all the way down there. The brakes are smoking. The brakes are smoking a little bit. I smell brakes. This is Farm Boy CJ signing out. Heading to the Norfolk Southern track by the railroad crossing by the high school.